Ma Brahmacharini Namaste and Jai Mata Di. On the second day of Navratri, we worship Ma Brahmacharini, the goddess of devotion, tapasya, and wisdom. She is depicted walking barefoot, holding a jap mala in her right hand and a kamandal in her left. She represents the power of meditation, sacrifice, and spiritual knowledge. Story: Ma Brahmacharini is the incarnation of goddess Parvati during her deep penance to please Lord Shiva. From childhood, she desired to marry Mahadev. To prove her devotion, she went into the forests and performed severe penance, tapasya, for thousands of years. She survived on fruits, then on leaves, and later on just water and air. Finally, she gave up even food and water, meditating only on Shiva's name. Impressed by her unshakable devotion, Lord Shiva accepted her as his consort. This form of Ma is worshipped as Brahmacharini, the one who follows the path of devotion and penance. Symbolism or meaning: her jap mala symbolizes prayer and meditation, while the kamandal represents simplicity and restraint. Walking barefoot shows her determination and patience. She inspires us to remain strong in times of struggle and teaches that true success comes through patience, dedication, and faith. Astrological or spiritual significance: Ma Brahmacharini rules over Mars, Mangal, the planet of energy and courage. Worshipping her brings strength, discipline, and removes obstacles. Spiritually, she is connected with the Swadhisthana chakra, the second chakra, which governs creativity, self-control, and spiritual discipline. Her blessings guide devotees on the path of self-realization. Mantra or prayer: on this day, devotees chant her mantra, Om Devi Brahmacharinyai Namah. This mantra blesses us with devotion, peace, and strength to overcome difficulties. The color of the day is red, symbolizing harmony, growth, and balance. In closing, on this second day of Navratri, let us remember Ma Brahmacharini, the goddess of devotion and tapasya. May she bless us with patience, wisdom, and inner strength. Comment: Jai Ma Brahmacharini. Unknown aspects: the attack by Asuras, while often not detailed. The legend also mentions that during her penance, an Asura named Prakandasura attacked her with his army of Asuras, showcasing that her path was not without external conflict. Symbolic names: during her deep austerity, she became known as Aparna, meaning the one who ate no leaves, after she gave up even those, highlighting her extreme self-sacrifice. Symbolic attributes: in her form as Brahmacharini, she carries a Rudraksh in her right hand, symbolizing spiritual wisdom, and a Kamandalu, water pot, in her left, representing the simple, disciplined life she led, focused on her spiritual goals. The story of Parvati's penances. Before becoming goddess Parvati, she was Gauri, the daughter of Himavan, the king of mountains. She fell in love with Lord Shiva and decided to marry him. But Lord Shiva was deeply immersed in meditation and detached from worldly affairs. To win his heart, Parvati undertook severe penances and lived a life of extreme austerity. She endured hunger, extreme weather, and hardships for years, showing immense devotion and patience. Her unwavering commitment pleased Lord Shiva, who finally accepted her as his consort. This is why Brahmacharini is depicted holding a rosary, japmala, in her right hand and a kamandalu, water pot, in her left, symbols of devotion and asceticism. The symbolism of Brahmacharini. The name, Brahmacharini, means one who practices penance, or one who follows the path of brahmacharya, celibacy and spiritual discipline. Her life teaches that success in love, life, and spiritual growth comes through patience, self-control, and perseverance. Devotees believe that praying to her removes laziness and helps develop spiritual knowledge, discipline, and inner strength. Ma Brahmacharini and the river Ganges. Some legends say that young Parvati performed her penances near the Ganges river, living on fruits and leaves and meditating day and night. Her devotion was so pure that the gods themselves came to protect her from hardships and ensure her penance succeeded. Her marriage with Lord Shiva. After years of devotion, Lord Shiva was pleased with her perseverance. He descended from Mount Kailash and agreed to marry her, marking the union of devotion and detachment, austerity and power. This story emphasizes the principle that true love requires patience, dedication, and inner purity. Blessings of Ma Brahmacharini. Devotees believe that worshipping her grants discipline and focus in life. Blessings for students and seekers of knowledge, spiritual growth and peace of mind, strength to overcome obstacles patiently. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe and have a blessed Navratri. See you in our next video.